Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the iPad and opening settings immediately. This gets you to the controls fast. Once done, tap battery in the left column. That's your gateway to real usage data. Make sure to check settings general about to note the iPad OS version, because features vary by release. If you have control center gestures customized, remember you can also reach quick battery info there. However, settings shows full graphs and percentages. Now you read the battery screen. Toggle battery percentage on if you want a persistent numeric readout. Once the graphs appear, compare last 24 hours versus last 10 days to spot recurring drain patterns. Reveal causes over time. Tap any activity bar to reveal which apps use the most power and how much screen-on time each consumed. This tells you why battery fell off. Armed with that, you can target apps or settings that need attention. To finish, enable low power mode and adjust background app refresh and location permissions for heavyweight apps. This reduces drain immediately. Once done, restart the iPad and install any pending iPad OS updates. Often fixes smooth out odd measurements. If the battery graph or percentage jumps unexpectedly, make sure to calibrate by charging to 100% and then fully discharging once. If problems persist, contact
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.